Welcome back to our channel. Today I will teach you how to draw a realistic nose using very cheap material, Crayola crayons. Without further ado, let's begin. If you want to learn fast, watch carefully and don't decide. After proceeding to the do side, please support our channel. Thank you. Please watch till the end, I have very important to say, about truth about realism. First, draw the outline of the nose. Use brown color lightly, as the base tone of the nose. Shade in circular motion. Use a red, to shade the dark area of the nose. As much as you can, avoid the areas where the highlight's located, because it will look flat without the highlights. Use again the brown, but this time apply it with pressure. Use a black crayon, in the darkened area, to create a value. I will use black pen, to darken the dark area, and in making details. Use the white crayon to blend the colors. Apply it, in circular motion. Now, darken all the dark area, to create a value, in the nose. Make some details, for the realistic looks. Use white crayon always, if you want to blend colors. The truth about art. Always remember, no need to have expensive materials, to do or create a realistic thing in art. Sometimes, crayon is enough. Thanks for watching.